Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of awesome outdoor garden room designs and tips to create beautiful outdoor space with stunning garden room ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking to add some extra living space to your home without the hassle of construction? Consider creating an outdoor garden room, a versatile and stylish solution for enjoying the great outdoors while staying comfortable and protected. In this video, we'll explore what outdoor garden rooms are, what they're called, why they're a good idea, and offer some top 10 ideas to inspire your own design. What is an outdoor garden room? An outdoor garden room is a designated area in your yard or garden that's enclosed on one or more sides and designed to provide shelter and comfort. It's essentially an extension of your indoor living space, but in a natural and open-air setting. Depending on your preferences and needs, a garden room can serve as a lounge, dining area, office, playroom, or even a guest room. What are outside rooms called? Outdoor garden rooms go by many names, including outdoor living rooms, garden pavilions, outdoor kitchens, garden studios, pool houses, and more. Essentially, any structure that's built outdoors and used for leisure or functional purposes can be considered an outside room. Are garden rooms a good idea? Absolutely. Not only do garden rooms add value and appeal to your property, but they also provide a relaxing and functional space to enjoy nature and entertain guests. Garden rooms can be designed to fit any style or budget, and can be used year-round with the addition of heating, lighting, and weatherproofing features. What is another name for a garden room? As mentioned earlier, garden rooms can be referred to as outdoor living rooms, garden pavilions, or outdoor kitchens. They can also be called garden houses, garden sheds, or garden retreats, depending on their purpose and design. Here these the top 10 outdoor garden room ideas. 1. Cozy garden lounge. Create a comfy and inviting space with plush seating, warm lighting, and rustic accents like wood and stone. 2. Outdoor dining area. Transform your garden room into an elegant alfresco dining area with a large table, ambient lighting, and a grill or kitchenette. 3. Garden office. Work from home in a tranquil and inspiring setting with a garden room office equipped with a desk, chair, and natural light. 4. Reading nook. Create a peaceful sanctuary for reading, meditating, or napping with a cozy daybed, curtains, and soft furnishings. 5. Outdoor spa. Indulge in a relaxing spa experience in your own backyard with a garden room equipped with a hot tub, sauna, or steam room. 6. Playroom. Give your kids a safe and fun space to play and learn with a garden room filled with toys, games, and books. 7. Yoga studio. Practice yoga or meditation in a serene and natural environment with a garden room designed for mindfulness and wellness. 8. Guest room. Provide your guests with a unique and memorable experience by offering a garden room as a private and comfortable accommodation. 9. Art studio. Unleash your creativity and inspiration in a garden room dedicated to your artistic pursuits, with ample natural light and storage space. 10. Music room. Jam with your band or practice your instrument in a soundproof and acoustically designed garden room, complete with recording equipment. With so many benefits and possibilities, an outdoor garden room can truly transform your outdoor space into a functional and beautiful extension of your home. Whether you're looking for a cozy lounge, a functional workspace, or a fun play area, there's a garden room idea that's perfect for your lifestyle and needs. So why not take the plunge and create your own outside oasis today? An outdoor garden room is a versatile and stylish addition to any home. Whether you have a large backyard or a small patio, a garden room can provide a functional and beautiful space to relax, work, play, or entertain. With our top 10 ideas, you can get inspired and create the garden room of your dreams. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the great outdoors in style. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of outdoor garden room design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.